How to record a specific window in OBS Studio. So first you want to open up your OBS Studio, and then under the sources window you want to click on the plus, and then you can either use a window capture or a game capture if you want to capture a video game. So I'm going to use window capture for this video, and then you can give it a name if you want to, and then click on OK. Now you should be able to select the video that you or the window that you want to capture. So for example, I can capture any window such as Steam window right here, and I'm going to try to select Steam. You might need to reopen the settings again to be able to see the Steam window. Now once you see it, you simply select the window that you capture. And for the capture method, I find that the Windows 10 1903 is probably the best, as the other ones sometimes cause glitches and the screen goes blank. So I'm going to use this one right here. And you can leave pretty much the other settings as the same. You can check and uncheck this if you want to capture the mouse cursor. You can also check this if you want to capture the audio from this window. And it will probably capture the audio coming from that window only. Then once you're done, you can click on OK. And then as you can see, the window is showing up on OBS. You can basically make it fit the screen by right-clicking and go to Transform and then Fit to Screen, which will maximize the view to the full screen. And now as you can see, if I resize the window, it updates on OBS, and if I minimize it, it goes black until I bring it up again. Now you can do that with pretty much any window that you can see in this list right here, including video games. But for video games, it's recommended to use the game capture source, which is basically optimized for video games. And then you can select your video game from here and basically capture it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.